Ons wil hierso die term balans verduidelik. Balans beteken, na my mening, eintlik die bok in totaal. Al die verskillende liggaamsdele moet korrek wees en mooi by mekaar pas. En hierdie is vir 'n goeie voorbeeld. Die bok het 'n mooi kop, hy het 'n bitter goeie horingplasing. Die bok het 'n goeie nek, hy is lekker breed voor, breed agter, goeie lengte. Sy hakke is baie mooi, het 4 goeie bene op hom, goeie haarkwaliteit. Na my mening, 'n bok met baie goeie balans.
What we're trying to explain here is balance. What does balance mean? That's how all the different body parts fit into each other. And you don't have an animal that is sort of pieces. Now, if we look at this ram, I think we've got a very good example of excellent balance. If you look at the head, shape of the head, how it flows into the neck flows into the forequarters, the rump, the length of the body, the width over the whole body, and the thickness of the legs, all of this make as one picture where we've got very, very good balance. And I think here's a very good example of a well-balanced ram with depth of body, length of body, as well as width of body.